Hey guys, I just wanted to share with you how the prints of eco bamboo paper are looking like. I personally think they look stunning, and even sometimes prints can even look better than originals as soon as they're done on a really nice paper like the one that we're looking currently. This is 100% sustainably sourced eco bamboo paper and is made one of the best printing carbon-free printing companies in the UK, which I'm really proud to work with. The colors are really vibrant and the quality of the paper is just amazing, so that will make sure that it will last you for decades and decades to come. I would totally recommend you to frame your prints and maybe keep them a little bit like with a bigger frame so you can kind of see the decal edge on the side of the print. Hope you guys enjoy.